how many times kayo nakita ni Willie Ong?
Bali po, Your Honor, nung pong na ano nila yung drugs, after 3 days po ata, tumawag yung secretary niya. Ngayon, nagpupilit po silang pumunta sa bahay ko. Meron silang kasamang list of contract daw po Chinese na nakipag-meet po sa akin sa bahay.
Mr. Willie Ong.
Opo, Your Honor.
So the picture of Mr. Willie Ong was shown to you and you confirmed that indeed that person, the picture is Mr. Willie Ong.
Opo, Your Honor.
Confirm na. So confirm na rin na yung lumabas na Willie Ong is that Willie Ong that the subject of this investigation, BID. BID, do you confirm, BID? That the subject person in this investigation was the one confirmed by Barangay Captain Bautista.
I'm sorry, Your Honor, because from what I recall during the other committee hearing, the name Willie Ong does not actually exist, but the name is a Chinese name. I don't have the file right now because it's in the other committee, Your Honor.
Of course, you have records with that Chinese person,
Yes, Your Honor.
and the Chinese person in one of the hearings was not yet confirmed by Barangay Captain Bautista. If that indeed the Willie Ong subject to this investigation.
I can't recall him confirming, Your Honor.
Pakiano lang po yung can you make it today before we adjourn? Ano lang po, kahit picture lang po. Then we will just show it to Barangay Captain if indeed that
Yes, sir.
Chinese with a Chinese passport was or it is indeed Mr. Willie Ong.
Yes, we'll try to retrieve it, Your Honor.
Thank you. NBI, yung Willie Ong na hinahanap natin, ano yung investigation niyo?
Sir, we're still looking for Willie Ong, Mr. Chairman.
But did you coordinate with BID? Kasi baka hinahanap natin, wala na talaga, totoong wala na.
Yes, we did coordinated with BIT.
So what's the report of BID to you, NBI?
We were furnished with a copy of the travel records and the passports.
So the passports and travel records. You have it in your possession now?
No, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, anyway, BID, pakiano lang po. Paki-produce na lang.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Para ipa-confirm ko lang dito kay Kapitan. Kasi baka ma-strike dito eh. Kapitan, so you confirm now that you have met personally Willie Ong and you are the one who contracted that building in front of that warehouse in where the Shabu was recovered.
Hindi po warehouse yung pinapit sa akin, yung pong commercial.
Hindi nga sinasabi ko, okay, tagalogin ko na Ilonggo yung Ang sinasabi ko na yung warehouse, hindi nga sa'yo, pero ikaw nagpatayo nung commercial.
Opo,
building.
Your Honor. Pinapit po kasi yun na bali, nagpasok po ako ng quotation, tapos ang inaalala ko po kasi maraming walang trabaho sa barangay namin.
Hindi, wag ka na mag-explain. Ang tinatanong ko lang, do you confirm na indeed ikaw ang nagpatayo nun, ng commercial? Ikaw ang gumawa.
Opo, ako yung gumawa.
Ikaw ang gumawa.
Ako sa commercial.
O, ikaw rin ang nagbigay, of course, ng barangay clearance for Mr. Willie Ong.
Doon po sa nila, doon sa warehouse nila nung kumuha.
Sino kang conduit mo dun? Sino kang conduit pala ni Mr. Willie Ong?
Meron po siyang secretary.
Ano is that secretary?
Nakalimutan ko.
Pangalan?
Nakalimutan ko na po.
In chief, Pilipina?
Pilipina po, taga-Kabanatuan.
O, taga-Kabanatuan? O, please. Kaya man siguro matandaan yan, di ba? Yung pangalan niya. Within the day.
Parang patingin ko po doon sa records nila.
O, check mo sa record mo kasi unless yung barangay mo napakaluwag, siyempre pag pumasok yung dyan, guest or those people wants to apply, nakalagin yan, di ba?
Yes po, Your Honor.
O di paki-check mo, before the next hearing, dapat may submit na yan sa committee.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Okay. So after that, that was how many times kayo nakita ni Willie Ong?
Bali po, Your Honor, nung po nila yung drugs, after 3 days po ata, tumawag yung secretary niya. Ngayon, nagpupilit po silang pumunta sa bahay ko. Meron silang kasamang list of contract daw po Chinese na nakipag-meet po sa akin sa bahay. Ang ginawa ko po,
Ano yung purpose nun?
bali po ang ginawa ko, 1 kilometer away lang po si Vice Mayor namin. Tinawag ko po siya para makapagtanong. Ang purpose po nila, meron po silang kasamang Chinese na babae, meron daw po silang lease contract na awak. Pero ang sabi ko po, sana, pag nag-invite po yung committee, darating sila. Umuo naman po sila kaso walang dumating na Willie Ong dito.
So, may kasamang Chinese for a lease contract.
Opo, Your Honor.
Lease contract dun sa...
Inaano po nila na meron, bali pinapakita po nila yung lease contract sa bodega nila na meron nag-arkila doon sa ano nila, nagre-renta. Sa bodega po nila na nakuha na ng drugs.
Oh, harap mo rin
Kaso
yung...
po, yung babaeng nag-explain, hindi po marunong mag-English. Kaya po, sabi ni Willie Ong, pupunta na lang kami sa hearing para makapag-explain kami, sabi ko gano'n.
So, yung, in short, parang lumalabas na yung babae, siya yung nagre-rent.
Hindi po, siya po ang nakikipag-communicate doon sa nag-rent, na Chinese din daw po yung nag-rent.
Pero the Chinese na nag-rent, hindi pumunta sa'yo. Hindi mo nakaharap.
Hindi ko po nakarap.
Willie Ong lang at saka sekretary niya.
Opo.
Okay. So, you never met any Chinese personality except sa kay Willie Ong?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Wala. Okay. Yung permit sa barangay, doon sa bodega,
Yung ano po kasi ng engineering, pag nagtatayo sila ng building, kukuha po muna sila ng clearance, tapos doon nila lalakarin yung building permit sa engineering office po sa munisipyo.
opo, municipal engineer. O, do you confirm?
Yes po, may building permit po, Your Honor.
Ha?
Yes po, Your Honor, may building permit po yung warehouses
Okay.
po sa commercial.
Kapitan. Dali ah. So, your first term was 2018. Tama?
Opo, Your Honor.
Previous to that, kagawad ka o kapitan? Kagawad ka.
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Hindi. So, sino yung pinalitan mo?
Si ano po, Reynaldo Cortez po.
Rinaldo Cortez. That was 2017.
Opo, Your Honor.
Okay. 2018, you were elected as barangay captain.
Opo, Your Honor.
Okay. Are you familiar with that property? Etong bodega,
Ang alam ko lang po doon, yung Ines Tumang, yung Bernardo Ines Tumang. Yun lang po ang alam kong lupa doon.
so yung lupa na yan is owned by Ines Tumang.
Opo, Your Honor.
So you confirm that that property is owned by Ines Tumang.
Opo, Your Honor.
Okay. Now, Mr. Chairman, kaya ko tatayin to kay former Mayor Teddy Tumang at saka kay Alex. Gusto ko lang balikan ulit. No? Kap, relax muna ka pa. Babalikan kita.